Hey, welcome to the Quadcopter review. This is just a quick video for you guys letting you know that the Mobula7 V2 frames are now out and available. I know a lot of people have been waiting and watching for these to come out, and I have just noticed that they're all out. Maybe you already know, but for those who didn't know, I wanted to let you know where you could get those in the US and get them sort of quick and have them ready to replace your broken Mobula7 frame. They are available at Race Day Quads for one. You can get those there. You can get them at Grayson Hobby. They have some as well. And you can get them at Pyro Drone. They also have some, and it looks like Geek Buying has some as well. If you're willing to wait, you can save a few dollars there. But they are out now, guys, and you can get your hands on some. So once again, just wanted to let everybody know who's been waiting patiently and waiting to see when they came out. They are out, so go ahead and order yours. I'll have some links below. I don't have affiliates to any of these people, so I'm just pointing you in the right direction. So once again, guys, remember to subscribe, like the video, and happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.